So I just recently got my 392, and one of the biggest things I wanted to get and do it right this time was get onboard air. So as of right now, let me show you this. So I'm using a system called Rock or Road, and let me come over here and show you. So my dual ARB compressor is underneath the passenger seat, and then I have an air chuck here, and that's for the passenger side. So I have one hooked up there and one hooked up here. So then let's come over to the driver's side. So one of the biggest things that I wanted was something to where I could just set it and forget it. Like I don't have to worry about checking it and keep on going back. So here's my other one. Okay, so I have both hooked up. So this is the Rock or Road Air, and I got it off of GenRight. WFO did the install, and it's super clean. So you can either control this either by yourself, just put on compressor, and then you can set it and do whatever you want to do. Or you can use the interface here and set it to whatever you want to do. So the nice thing about this is that they have an app, and let me show you. So if I was to want it to deflate, right here is going to be where you want to deflate to, and here's where you want to inflate to. It's all Bluetooth. So like I said, the compressor is on the other side. A line just goes over to it. So let's just say I want to deflate to 28 just for testing purposes. So all of my TPMS sensors are all on board and everything. So right now I have 37s. So we're going to go auto, hold it down for like 2 seconds. Okay, so done. So after you tell it to do whatever you want it to do, it's always going to do a system check and make sure that everything is good to go. So it does that for 20 seconds, as you can see right there. Okay, so now disconnect the hoses, go off, whatever, do whatever you want to do. Then you come back and you got to inflate. So again, testing purposes, I'm saying 30. When I ordered this from the company, they asked me what ideally was going to be on here, and I told them either 40s or 42s. So they program this whole entire thing to what you're going to have. So anyways, that's that. So now we're going to inflate. So I'm going to hold this down, and now it's going to go ahead and inflate it to 30. And then it'll stop, check it, and then you're done. And I've tried this a couple times, and my TPMS sensor completely, all 4 tires are at 30 PSI, and I love it. It's so nice. So I'm gonna turn on my car. So let's go to, there it is. So 28, 29, it's going to update once I start the Jeep. But I did it yesterday, rolled around, and all 4 of them were at 30 PSI. So anyways, that's the basic of it. WFO did the install. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend. Took them half a day, and it was all good to go. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave a link and everything for the product, and yeah, this is the absolute system that I wanted, and don't regret it at all. I absolutely love it.